So here's 7 and 8. Going to be doing the exact same thing. Added a little bit of context for a couple of the problems, just, you know, to give it some not bland numberies. We're going to be doing the same thing. Sometimes you might also see them rated as an X bar. Then we're going to have a median. Then we're going to have a mode. And then we're going to have a range. So this first one, now we got some negatives in there, but don't worry, we're still just going to add them up. So it looks like -6, -4, 19 minus 4 is 15 divided by 5. So I added them all up and then divided by number of terms. And that gives me a nice 3. For my median, I would look, okay, it's not least to greatest, so I'm going to fix that 8 and 11. But it looks like 2 is still my middle term. For my mode, no term shows up more than once, so there's no mode. And for my range, we're going from -6 to 8. So 8 minus -6 is a range of 14. For Jason's math quizzes, we're going to do the same thing. We're going to add them all up. So 5 plus 65 plus 65 plus 80 plus 90. I'm going to just naturally arrange these for myself just to make it a little easier. So there's 120, here's 170, that's 290, and 65 is 355 divided by 5. So it looks like we got 71 is our average. For our median, that's why I organized them, so that I could eliminate the outsides and say our median is 65 on the fly. My mode, what's his most common score? Well, yeah, only one showed up more than once, and that is also 65, so you can't have a median and mode that are the same. And then our range, his smallest score and his largest score were 90 minus 55, so a range of 35. Alright, so I'm just going to kick through the last two. So 9 and 10. 10 we're going to have to create our own data set, so that might take its own slide. But whatever, we'll figure it out. So here we've got 6 weeks of work for Steve, and we are going to find those descriptive statistics, that mean, that median, that mode, and that range. So I'm going to add these up. Looks like 390, 630, and what's that? 390 again. So add them all up, that's 780. And we got 1410 divided by 6. And that gives me a nice $235 a week. So that is his average. Let's give him $sign median. Let's order these from least to greatest. Yeah, I might need to put the 10 on the last slide. So going from the outside in, we got an even number data set, so we're always going to have to average these middles. And we're going to add up 215 and 250 and divide by 2. And what's that, 65? So 232.5 is our median. For our mode, looks like no number showed up more than once. And our range is 140 to 330. So 330 minus 140 is 190. All right, let's fit 10 in here. So for number 10, we're going to create a data set with at least 5 points and find the descriptive statistics. So I'm just going to keep things simple. 8, 3, and I want odd number because then I know the median will be a little easier, and we'll make it 1. So let's see, how much is that? 14 plus 12 is 26. So my mean is 5.2. My median, let me just rearrange this for myself, is 4. My mode is none because nothing shows up more than once. And my range is 1 to 10, so it is a range of 9. Alright, so this has been my walkthrough for lesson 6. Please contact me if you need any help.